Hello and welcome to the Bike Century. My name's Steve and today I'm showing around this 2022 year Triumph Tiger Sport 660. This bike is in really nice condition. It's got loads of genuine Triumph accessories added to this as well, which is a really nice catch. Other than the genuine stuff, this is a completely standard bike. I'll point out bits as we go around. So starting off at the front, you got this in twin calipers with ABS, genuine Triumph fog lights, which is a nice little extra, genuine Triumph crash bars, and genuine Triumph engine casing protection. Coming towards the back, we've got genuine Triumph again, colour coded panniers, and the actual paddock stand bobbins are from Triumph as well, which is really nice to see. Coming around the front, you've got the genuine Triumph handguards. These don't normally come with these, so this is a nice little extra. On the screen, there's a couple of little marks. I'm going to try and see if I can get on the camera here. Can't really get it, but if you can kind of see there, there's like misting in there. It's like the screen is slightly scuffed, but there is no way of getting this out. I have tried, so just bear in mind there is the mark on the screen here. Overall, really nice condition, been really well looked after, a full service history. It is due a service, so before it leaves us, it will have a service done. But yeah, really nice and tidy. Things like chains, tyres, sprockets, brakes all get checked as part of our PDI inspection. Anything that we notice obviously gets sorted out or replaced before delivery of the bike or before you collect your new machine. Coming up towards the handlebars, genuine Triumph heated grips, again a nice little extra. These don't normally come with this. Let's turn the ignition on. 14,937 miles. So through here you can go through up to your main menu. If you go into that, you've got different rider modes. So you've got your rain or road, either mode you can pick, and then obviously all your bike information, settings, play around what you want on your screen, everything like that. Got your gear indicator down here with the time, settle your brightness, and then that's when the next service is due. So it's actually not due till next year, but we will service this before it leaves us just to make sure. Just give it a little start up. Nice sounding, smooth engine. Obviously, if there's any accessories you want, tail tidies, exhaust, anything like that, please do let us know, as we do offer free fitting on all accessories purchased for ourselves before delivery. So that's it from me. We've got WhatsApp, live chat, all the social medias. Pop and share and try the bike on for size. Have a coffee and a chat. Look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.